Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this beautiful electric blue straight pour, so let's jump in and get started. First, I wanted to show you really quickly these awesome canvases and paints Arteza sent me to give a try. I really love using black canvases. I feel like it makes your paints pop. So they sent me an 8-pack of 12 by 12 canvases, these beautiful Arteza metallic pearl paints. I absolutely love the electric blue and the Aztec gold and the bronze. They're all really beautiful colors. So I'll be sure to link their information down below in the description box if you guys want to check them out or get some canvases. And I have a discount code for you too. So I'm going to be mixing my paints 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol. And you always want to strain your Floetrol with a strainer like you see here, just because you can get kind of lumps and chunks in your Floetrol and you don't want that ending up in your paint. So I just added the 3 tablespoons of Floetrol as you could see, and then 1 tablespoon of paint, and just giving that a good mix. And that's it. Pretty simple and easy. I did the same thing for all my colors. For this painting, I'm going to be using the electric blue, the Aztec gold, and the pearl white. And now I'm going to start layering my cup. All my paints are mixed 3 parts paint, 1 part Floetrol, and the black you're seeing is just the Artist Loft Flow acrylic in black. I have a 9-ounce cup here. I went ahead and filled it up almost to the top as you could see. Added a little puddle of black, and now we'll go in and do the straight pour and then tilt and see what I can come up with. And here I'm kind of starting to jiggle or rock my cup back and forth so I can get some fun branches, as I like to call them, in the center of my straight pour. And I'll bring you in for a close-up so you can see how cool it was looking. I was really hoping that I could keep that part of the painting. I torched it to pop some air bubbles really quickly, but check it out. Look at how cool that was looking. I was really loving that, and these colors are so pretty together. So I'm just going to keep tilting it, and hopefully I can come up with something pretty. And I'm just about done tilting. I was trying to keep those fun branches in the center there. I wanted them to stay kind of right where they were. And I'll bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see how it's looking with the wet finish. And here's a close-up. I really love these colors together. The electric blue is such a pretty color. Definitely check that one out if you guys are going to get any of the Arteza metallic pearl paints. That one's a really gorgeous color. It goes really nicely with the Aztec gold too. What do you guys think about this color combination? Let me know down in the comments. So what I'm going to do is let it dry, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all nice and dry in a few days. I think I prefer it hanging this way up on the wall, but here it is, all nice and dry. It turned out really nice. Everything stayed put. I had a little accident with this one. It wasn't completely dry, and a bottle of paint got knocked over right next to it and bonked it and caused a little dimple right here, so I was super sad about that. Right here's the little spot where that happened, but I think I might be able to touch it up. I'm going to try my hardest, but I haven't had a chance to spray it with some gloss spray yet or varnish it. But once I do that, it'll be really nice and glossy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments. And if you need any canvases or any paint or art supplies, be sure to check out Arteza, and I'll link everything down in the description box below. And if you liked it, go ahead and leave me a like. Hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday for another video. Thanks again, guys. Bye.